Hi, thanks for dropping by. Today I'm going to show you the Morphy 501022, and it's a soup maker, and we're going to have a look and see how it works. This baby is supposed to make soup within 20 minutes, so we're going to see how it works. Let's have a closer look. Okay, so here it is, all unpackaged, and as you can see, the controls at the top. Let's turn it the right way around for you to see. So you've got a smooth, you've got a chunky, and you've got a clean setting. You've also got a blend. If you want to make smoothies, that's quite useful. That's the mode which will allow you to choose which one of these you want, and that's the start-stop button. And this visual display here allows you to see what stage it's at. It should take a total of 20 minutes, so we will see that later on. In the meantime, open up, just pull the top off, and you can see here is the blender blades, so this allows you to make your smoothie or cut your chunky bits if you need to. Quite spacious, 1.6 litres, so that should be enough for at least 2 big bowls, or maybe 3. Comes with instructions, also comes with UK lead, and for those of you in other parts of the world, I'm sure you will get the appropriate leads to go with it. And also this bit of packaging also came with it. Okay, so as they say, I've prepared some vegetables previously. I actually got these from the shop. Quite simply, mixed vegetables. These are diced swede and carrot, and also I thought I'd get some diced butternut squash and sweet potato just to give it a little bit of extra taste. So the idea is you pop the diced vegetables in, you fill with water up to, you may not be able to see this, but there is a maximum indicator level there. So after you've put your diced vegetables in, you would then put the water in up to the maximum level as marked, pop the lid back on, make sure it's plugged in this lid, press your start button, set your mode, whether you want smooth, chunky or clean, click your start button, and away you go, 20 minutes. Let's see. Open the vegetable packet. Open the lid. I should tell you, I have washed it. As they say, you should always wash before you start, so it's already been washed, dried and ready. In goes the vegetables. In goes the vegetables. Then we get the water. So the water is now in. I'm going to plug it in. And we will see how this baby works for the next 20 minutes. All plugged in, and I'm going to choose the, it makes a beep when you put it in, so that's really good, just an indicator to tell you it's ready. Then I'm going to set my mode. I'm going to choose smooth, then start, and it's got 21 minutes. And it's doing its thing. As you can see, the indicator is going up and down, which says it's doing what it needs to do. So we'll come back in 21 minutes. In fact, we'll come back at say 18 minutes to see what's happening there. So welcome back. It is now blending, and you'll see, if you just about see the display, that's what it looks like, to let you know that it's actually blending, and it's got 2 minutes to go. Okay, so all finished, and you'll see the display shows that symbol. That means it's all finished. So, as they say, the proof is in the tasting. So, I'll just get myself a dish. Taste. I'm very excited about this. I'm looking forward to a great tasting soup. Wow, absolutely, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. You could just about see, just pour this out, there we go. So that's 1.6 litres, and I could probably get another 3 bowls out of that, another 3 bowls. So for a family of 4, you could get some great soup. So, as they say, the proof is in the eating. Let's have a taste, see what this is like. Absolutely spot on. Nothing like a great bowl of soup, especially in the winter, and very, very healthy. Okay, so you may have some questions about the Morphy Richards Soup Maker Model 501022. So here are some tips and some additional information which I think you might find quite useful. It's not dishwasher safe, but you can simply pop this bit off, rinse it under your tap, hey presto, job done. And the rest, you just rinse it. So nice and easy to clean, that's it. But it's not dishwasher safe. Can you preset the timing? No, you can't. It's set for 21 minutes. So once it starts, then you can't stop it. You have to let it do its thing. Does it keep the soup warm after cooking? Well, yes it does. It does keep your soup warm for another 15 to 30 minutes. So that's quite good. Can you smooth once the soup is cooked? Yes, you can. So after the 20 minutes, then you can select the mode, click on smooth, click on start, and off you go, and it will smooth the soup for you, just in case it's not to your texture and you want it a bit smooth. Okay, so the only thing I would say is I love this. It's quick. 20 minutes for a bowl of soup? Well, so it's quick, it's easy, it's convenient, and also it's very compact. It's easy to store in your kitchen, and it makes a very lovely bowl of soup. Keeps you healthy. I think so anyway. So I hope you come back. I am aiming to make some great recipes with this, so please do join me again in the very near future. Hit the subscribe button, give me your comments if you dislike this review or you like this review,